What's up everybody, I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, like the mystery boxes for Halloween. I only got one just because this is my first time getting a Jeffree Star mystery box, and I got the $40 one to see what's the big deal about it, just because they're super popular. I know he does it like summer or winter and Halloween or whatever he does it. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you. I already saw videos here on YouTube, and I just wanted to do my own impression of it. So yeah, I know there's gonna be four products, and then one of the products is gonna be like a limited edition, like lip gloss or lipstick, I believe. So I'm gonna have my handy dandy store key for my work, to open this, just because they do package it really well. And so it's gonna be a really quick review type of thing. This one's to open. Let's see. Oh my god, bunch of duct tape. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside here. I'm pretty much excited. Ooh. So this is my first time ever getting Jeffree Star products. I'm a really big fan of Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson, so I'm pretty excited to get the collection of the makeup collection that Shane Dawson times Jeffree Star. Totally gonna buy that. Even though if I'm broke, I'm still gonna buy it because it's one of my favorite type of YouTubers. So the first thing here, so I'm going to leave this to the end, and I get the lip glosses or the lip products. So this is their limited or their surprise mystery limited edition type of lip stick. So this is their Velour liquid lipsticks in Soul Sucker. I'm pretty excited just because I saw this already, and it's like a black with orange sparkles in them. So pretty excited. Hopefully the lighting is better. Please don't see this greasiness of mess that I have here. I work an 8-hour shift, and your girl is tired and wants to take this off. But I barely got this, so I want to do this. So as you can see right here, it's literally like a black with orange sparkles in them, and it says shake well, so I'm gonna shake well. And ew, they smell good. Ooh, that's pretty. So that's the first one there. So I'm gonna do another swatch because it's not that pigmented. So you need to do like 2 or 3 swatches just to get that black color that if you want it. But it has those specks right there. So yeah, that is Soul Sucker. I'm pretty excited to try this out just because I love black dark lip colors on me, but I usually don't wear them at all. So yeah. And then the other one is Cherry Wet. This is another liquid lipstick from him. So shake well. Ooh, so it looks really pink, like pink in here. Like literally you can see it's pink. But you can, oh, that's pretty. And they smell nice. So they don't have that much of a fragrance, but it literally looks pink here on camera. But it's literally like a cherry, like literally the name of it. Looks pink, like a magenta pink here, but it's literally like a cherry. Your girl looks excited. And then the last lipstick here is called Brown Sugar, and this is a limp ammunition. Like, look at that. Look at this bullet. Love this, love it. Ooh, look at that. It's like a brown sugar, literally. Ooh, it's pretty. Yeah. Right there. I'm not a fan, but I'm not used to these type of like lipstick. But there's a first thing for everything, or first try for everything, right? And then last but not least is this big one right here. And I believe, yep, this is the mini breaker. This was from his summer collection, I believe. Packaged really nicely. And pretty excited to try his shadows out. Oh my god, it looks like this. And it has a mirror in here. Can we take a second? Can we take a look in a second of how pretty these colors are? Like, come on. I don't have that much colors of, like this pigmented, like with color, but pretty excited to try this out. Let me see the swatch. I've been obsessed with oranges lately. Oh my god. Let's try this one. That's pretty. Like, come on. Like, do you love my swatches? Like, come on. But yeah, they're so pigmented. Okay, Jeffree. I'm so excited, literally excited to try these out. Love them. I literally, all the swatches are Jeffree. Like, look at that. Look, I'm excited for this one right here. And to put it like a top coat for this, shook. Pretty excited to try this out. Probably gonna use this tomorrow for my eyes. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Really quick and easy, really quick review and unboxing of the new Jeffree Star Halloween surprise boxes. But yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is free and it will totally help. And I will guys see you in my next video. Bye guys.